in this issue of licensing, old SCADA licensing is based on the number of clients, tags, connections, and that's how it's priced. That's how clients are charged. Ignition is licensing by the server, unlimited clients, tags, unlimited connections, devices. So when you did cost comparisons, how did the cost compare between old SCADA licensing and Ignition's unlimited licensing, Henry?
You know, it was really only the Ignition Solutions a fraction of the cost because it's licensed by the server. We've actually got 20 client computers running at our facility, and that would have been, you know, an old school SCADA license for each of those. I remember we changed from version 7 to 7.1.1, 1/100th of a version upgrade. Oh no, you've got to buy a new license for that PC costing thousands of dollars. So I think the IA solution's a much better way to go.
Yeah. Thanks, Henry. And I do want to comment to our audience that it really is part of the commitment of our organization here at IA is to basically give you a licensing model that allows you to unleash your creativity, your innovation, to work with your clients, and to not, and you want it on more screens, put it on more screens. Someone else wants to view it in an executive office, they want an executive dashboard, they want, you know, whatever it is that you want, you have the ability to have the clients, the tags, the connections, to not be concerned about that when you're actually, you should be concerned about creating a very effective project. So I guess the overall question I'd ask you, Henry, is when you look at how you've used Ignition, because you were working with our legacy products, you've done this evolution. I remember you told me at one time you had actually done all of the initial work and everything with Ignition off of an OPEX, operating expense budget with no capital expense. So you just kind of built it and moved it. How has your use of Ignition changed over time?
So, you know, we originally started in 2007 using the pre-Ignition software, the Data Historian, that we ran in parallel. We needed that because the legacy SCADA software didn't have a reliable Data Historian. And then we moved to the predecessor to the Vision module because XP's end of life. So we basically kind of built a new system using the inductive automation software to kind of match what we had in our legacy product. And then with the release of Ignition, it's given us new tools to do the job than we ever could before. And so I think, like, you can see the screen here. This is one of my Ignition screens. And I'm able to, like, look at motor efficiencies and maybe the pump curve and kind of plot this type of data for the operators so they can find the most efficient operating point. In addition, we've been able to abandon our third-party DA servers and move to the inductive automation OPC UA servers. We're currently using the Allen Bradley and the Modbus drivers. So it's kind of getting the job done. And then now we're actually looking at the kind of the fourth step, maybe migrating to Linux technology. We definitely have that as an option available to us.
If you're ready to try Ignition for yourself, obviously you can download the full version of Ignition for free on our website. Just go to inductiveautomation.com, download it, and you'll be up and running in 3 minutes. You can install Ignition and build your own system with it before you even purchase it. So we're really trying to empower you to make an informed choice because we're pretty confident when you get your hands on Ignition, you're going to really want to move forward with it.